Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Harley J, and today we're going to be doing a video about, well, how to promote your short films that you've posted on YouTube. So, yeah, this is basically made for films or videos you put on YouTube, but mostly films, short films or feature films, it doesn't matter. It will work for Vimeo or some other platform. I just think YouTube is the best for this thing we're going to be talking about today, so let's get right into it. I like to start by going onto my iPad or computer and going into Google Forms. So yeah, that's what I like to start off by doing, and then I like to get a new Google form, so just a regular blank Google form, and then I'll show you what I like to do. So it will load, of course, and a cool thing if you're using an iPad or a mobile device, and you want to be able to use a desktop website, all you have to do is click the two A's at the top, and then click switch to desktop website, and then all the things you can do on desktop but you can't do on mobile, you'll be able to do. And I found that out the hard way. Let me just close a few forms. Good. So I have it open, and I can simply just name the form, and then I'm gonna put in as the questions, I'm gonna ask, what do you like about my short film? What is good? What's your favorite thing about the short film? And this is to people who have already seen the short film. Like, I'll ask people to watch the short film. Like, I'll just email the short film to a few people, and then I'll ask them, and then after they watch it, I'll have them fill in this form. And then so just emailing it to the short film to people is pretty good. Like, I'll link to it. But for this, what I like to do is just ask what they like about it, and then also what social media platform do they use the most. And then I want to have lots of people have these like forms to fill out, so that I have lots of information. And then whenever people like about the short film most, and then whatever platform people use most, I'll go to that platform, and I'll say. So I go to that platform and make a little, what do you call it? Like a little post saying, hey, I made a short film, check it out, and this is what, and it's like, and then I'll kind of mention what a lot of people like about it in it, so that if other people like that kind of thing, they'll click on the link that I post with the post, and yeah, that's the first step. And that's actually a pretty simple step. But before I actually click post, I like to make like a title, not a title, like a movie poster for the short film, so I can post that, and it's really cool. So that's just an empty Google form, and yeah. And then you can also do other stuff, but that's a pretty simple thing. So yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that big thumbs up button. That will really help me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.